Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the driver for printer Canon IR1024A because it's a little bit problematic. So you download this driver. Yes, okay, save. Once it's downloaded, you have to extract it. Okay, this is going to be great. Cool. Now I have it here extracted. I opened it. If you have 64 bit Windows, you open this, and if you have 32-bit, you open this. I have for 64-bit Windows, so I open this. Next. Yes, and you have to have the printer plugged into your computer via USB, and you have to turn on the printer too. Okay, so you set the manually set port to install, click next, add printers, click next. You choose your printer here, so I have this version. You click on add, next, and here you select the port like USB 001. Okay, everything else is good. Maybe you can check set as default if you want. You click next, and here you only need to click on start. It installs the necessary things, and after that you click on restart your computer or something like this, and basically that's all. After your computer restarted, you can print anything you want. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.